morning and happy Tuesday, everybody. Today we're going to reread Clarence Works for Money. So I want you to go ahead and get your story out, and then I also want you to get this activity sheet out. And we are going to fill this out as we read, okay? So there is going to be some multitasking. So I just want you all to work at your all's own pace. So if you need to pause, rewind, replay the video, go ahead and do what you need to do. So, I want you all to go ahead and cut out, I want you all to go ahead and cut out each square, okay? And for level 1 kiddos, the parent can cut them out for them, and then everybody, level 2 and 3, you all can work on your cutting skills. And, if you need assistance, obviously, parents can help with that. So go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and cut out all of your squares, okay? And so the goal is that we're going, as Clarence does each chore, we're going to put the chore in the piggy bank, okay? And add up his money. So we will have a better understanding of how each chore adds up to the total amount of money that he earned, okay? All right, let's get started. All right, so you can you can follow me. I'm going to pull this up on the screen so you will be able to see what I see. Okay, so I have both tabs pulled up. I have my activity sheet right next to me as I'm reading the story. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead and point to the title for me. Good job, it is right there. And what's the title called? Clarence Works for Money by Emily Weinberger. Illustrated by Alex Weishart. Clarence wants a new toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money to buy it. So how is he going to earn money? Let's find out. How can Clarence get money? Clarence can get money if he does chores. He can do chores at his house. And here are some chores that he's thinking about. Washing the windows, putting the trash away, and dusting. Let's see if he ends up doing those chores, or if he ends up doing another set of chores. Clarence can get $2 if he washes the car. He washes the car outside. Clarence gets $2. So I want you to go ahead and get your activity sheet out. Go ahead and find the square washing the car. All right, so once you have found wash the car, you're going to glue that onto the piggy bank. Good job. All right, let's go back to our story and see what else he does to earn money. So right now, he's washed the car. He has earned $2. And friends, if you want to use your fake money and follow along, you can do that as well. Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away the food. He puts the food on the shelves. Clarence gets $2 more. So go ahead and go to your activity sheet and find puts away food. Good job. I found put away food. So go ahead and glue that on the piggy bank. Awesome job. So as you can see, we have earned a total of $4 by washing the car and putting away food. All right, let's go back to our story. Clarence can get $2 more if he folds the clothes? He folds the clothes in the basket. Clarence gets $2 more. So go ahead and go to your activity sheet. Find folds clothes. Where's a picture of him folding clothes? If you glued this one onto the piggy bank, you are correct. So by washing the car, by putting away food, by folding clothes, Clarence has earned $6, right? All right, so let's see what else he can earn. Go ahead and flip and tuck the page. What number are we on? Can you find the page number? Good job. We are on page 6. Clarence can get $2 more if he washes the dishes. He washes the dishes in the sink. Clarence gets $2 more. So he just finished washing the dishes. Can you find washes dishes and put it in the piggy bank by gluing it on? Good job. He has earned a total, which is all the money that he's made so far, of $8. All right, let's see what other chores he has to do. Clarence can get $2 more if he takes out the trash. He takes the trash out to the trash can. Clarence gets $2 more. All right, what did he just do? Did he take out trash or did he walk the dog? Good job. He took out the trash. So go ahead and put that in your piggy bank. Good job. All right, how much money has he earned so far? $10. Awesome job, friends. Let's go back to our story and go ahead and finish out, okay? Clarence counts the money he got. He has a total of $10. He has money to buy the toy truck. So let's make sure we have the same amount. So Clarence has $10 here. And he also has $10 in his piggy bank. So he has enough money to buy the toy truck. Clarence buys the new toy truck. He counts his money again. He still has some money left. What should Clarence do with his money? Should he buy something else or should he save it for later? All right, so I'm going to ask a few additional questions and see if you all paid attention while listening to the story today. All right, the first question is, what chore did Clarence do first? So that's the beginning of the story. So go ahead, if you need to go back to the beginning of the book, go ahead and do so. So the question was, what chore did Clarence do first? It's on page 3. Did he wash the dog? Oh wait, hang on. This is too much of a comparison. Did he walk the dog? Or did he wash the car? Well, look at the picture. He washed the car. Good job. So that's the first thing Clarence did. The first chore Clarence did was wash the car. Next question. What chore did Clarence do last? And again, friends, you can look at your picture support board to point out the answer if your child is nonverbal. All right. What chore did Clarence do last? So let's look back at our book. And we're going to go to page 7. Good job. What chore did Clarence do last? Did he... Let's see. Did he clean the garage? Or did he take out the trash? Good job. He took out the trash to earn his last $2. All right. One more question. Who is this story about? Is it about Clarence? Or is it about Grumpy Mr. G? Good job. It is about Clarence. Thank you guys for tuning in today. There will not be a video tomorrow since it's Wednesday. You guys will work on your IEP goals. But we will join back here Thursday for our reading lesson. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.